Thanks for joining us back here at Stonehill Cabin up on top of the bluff here this week. It's a beautiful fall week and we collected some fun shots of our time up here this week. Joel's parents were visiting us from Arizona, so it was such a special time to have them up here with us at the cabin. Hope you guys enjoy just this beautiful first week of October. Oh, you got my bike. Thank you.
It's a little dusty.
That's all right. I just haven't ridden it for a while. That's okay. That's why they say it's like riding a bike. Woo! There she goes. Filming and biking can be dangerous. Ooh, there goes another one. Beautiful, gorgeous day for a ride. Today we got some new cabin bears.
Yes.
Look at that sweet face. Cabin bear number 1. And then over here is cabin bear number 2.
He's really cute.
Look at that. Welcome.
Isn't he cute?
Yes. Well, it was time to replace poor sweet Frank. Here, let me show you poor Frank.
Yeah.
Oh, Frank. I know.
He was a good bear.
You know, Frank, we all feel like this after COVID. It's been a rough 2 years.
Yeah.
I think Frank took it the hardest. Beautiful. You too.
You got the sign, right?
Yes. Yep. We do. Thank you.
What's your name him?
So we got some new bears. That's big news number 1. And then we have this new game. It's called Coob. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Coob. It's supposed to be some kind of a Viking Norwegian throwing game. So we're gonna figure that out and see if it's gonna be any fun.
Woo! Mama. But not, I don't.
Like I say, it was a practice.
Oh!
You're on tape, you know.
Stella, which one are you gonna get? Oh, there's a big one coming. Are you gonna pick one?
bars. Flavorizing in the making right here.